Welcome to Net Home Decor, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. If you're looking for bathroom designs that elevate your space, you're in the right video. Your bathroom is more than just a place for daily routines, it's a space that sets the tone for relaxation and self-care. A well-designed bathroom creates a peaceful atmosphere, making your home feel more inviting and luxurious. The colors, materials, and decor choices you make can express your personality and influence your mood every day. A stylish and clean bathroom can bring a sense of calmness and order to your life. Soft lighting, warm colors, and natural materials like wood and stone help create a relaxing environment. Adding small details like scented candles, plants, or elegant mirrors can make the space feel cozy and personal. When you step into a beautifully arranged bathroom, it instantly lifts your mood and makes you feel refreshed. Keeping your bathroom organized also plays a big role in how it impacts your daily life. A clutter-free space gives you a sense of clarity and helps you start the day on a positive note. Simple storage solutions like shelves, baskets, and drawer organizers make it easy to keep everything in place while maintaining a neat and stylish look. Lighting is another important element that can change the way your bathroom feels. Soft, warm lighting creates a spa-like atmosphere, while bright, natural light helps you feel more awake and confident. A well-placed mirror can also enhance the space, making it feel larger and more inviting. Upgrading small details in your bathroom, like modern fixtures, elegant faucets, or plush towels, can make a big difference. Even simple changes, such as adding decorative accessories or stylish soap dispensers, can instantly elevate the space. When your bathroom looks and feels luxurious, it encourages self-care and boosts your confidence. A thoughtfully designed bathroom enhances your overall well-being. It becomes a place where you can relax, refresh, and prepare for the day ahead. Investing in a beautiful and functional space not only improves your home, but also adds to your daily comfort and happiness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor inspiration. Let me know in the comments how you would love to upgrade your bathroom. See you in the next video. Rock it!